Hey my beautiful roses! Welcome back to my channel. If you've been trying to grow your hair longer, thicker, and shinier, but it's just not working for you, stop scrolling because this is the only video you'll need to get your dream hair. No more wasting time on random hair hacks that leave your hair dry, breaking, or even worse, shorter than before. In this video, I'm showing you how to grow long, thick, and silky hair from home using only things you already have in your kitchen. No money, no salon, and no fancy products needed. So if your hair's been stuck at the same length, looking dry, or just not giving pretty girl energy, stick with me till the end, cause I'm not giving you stuff that might work. I'm giving you the real secrets that work for all hair types, whether you're curly, straight, wavy, and kinky. This is the glow up your hair has been waiting for. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get started. Number 1. Scalp exfoliation. A clean scalp is basically a happy scalp, and scalp exfoliation is very important if you want longer, thicker, and healthier hair. It removes buildup, clears dandruff, boosts blood flow, and helps your hair grow faster. And don't worry, you don't need any fancy product for this one. So my dear roses, let's make it. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey in a small plastic. To apply this, take a little in your hand and scrub from your backside using your fingers, not nails. Make sure to section your hair as you move upwards and scrub gently. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with cool water, before following with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Pro tip: you only need to exfoliate your scalp once a week. So, I advise you do this every Saturday, as too much exfoliating can irritate your scalp. And also, don't use this scrub if you have cuts or injuries on your scalp. Wait for it to heal first so you don't regret it later. Number 2. Scalp massage. Massaging your hair every day stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which equals more growth in just a few weeks. So roses, make sure you spend 5 minutes every night massaging your scalp with your fingertips softly. You can even up your game by using any oil of your choice, like olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. Put a little oil in your hand and gently massage your scalp for 5 minutes. Focus on your roots and use your fingertips to circulate blood flow in your scalp. Number 3. Hair growth recipes. Now roses, it's time to talk about how to grow your hair like a real-life Rapunzel. These recipes are super easy to make, and they can make your hair grow longer like this, and this. 1. Onion juice. Alright roses, I have to warn you about this one. Onion juice is great if you have slow-growing hair and thinning edges. But the smell is so strong that you can't step outside your home after using it. So, it's best to use this on days you're not going out, like Saturdays. To make it, get an onion, red or white. All works fine. Blend it until you get a soft paste. Then strain the juice out with a sieve and store in a bottle. Put it in your hair roots and wait 20 minutes before washing it out with your shampoo. You can use this twice a month, but if you're not a fan of onion juice, use this next option instead. 2. Rice water rinse. Rice water is filled with protein, vitamins, and minerals that add shine to your hair and gives you a stronger, longer hair. Make sure to rinse a cup of rice first to remove dirt. Then soak the clean rice in water overnight and strain it out the next day. You can store it in a spray bottle or put it in a jar and keep it in your refrigerator. Here's how to apply it. Pour the rice water over your hair and massage it into your scalp for 2 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Pro tip: use your rice water twice a week for maximum results. Also add tangerine or orange peels into your rice water before soaking it overnight to remove the bad smell. 3. Green tea rinse. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that promote hair growth, reduce hair shedding and dandruff, and also, it adds a natural shine and softness to your hair. So if your hair is hard like a rock and you're battling with dandruff, this one's for you. Boil green tea in hot water for 15 minutes and wait for it to cool before spraying it on your hair. Leave it in for full effect and let your hair dry naturally. There's no need to rinse it out. Use this rinse every day for best results, and you'll start noticing a softer, fuller, and longer hair in just a few weeks. Pro tip: spray the green tea rinse on your hair root in the morning and at night. Don't wash it out. Only wash your hair every Saturday morning with shampoo to keep your scalp clean. 4. Rosemary water. Rosemary water is a magical potion for hair growth. It helps strengthen hair, stimulates hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and it even helps with dandruff. It's like green tea but better. You only need rosemary leaves. Whether it's fresh or dried, it doesn't matter. They both work well. Put rosemary leaves in a jar and add hot water to it. Let it sit for 24 hours before straining it out. Pour it in a spray bottle, then spray it on your hair and massage it in for 2 minutes. Do not rinse it out. Only wash your hair with shampoo on Saturdays. It's super simple and you can use this every day. It has no side effects. Pro tips. Anytime you wash your hair, always do a final rinse with cold water. Cold water closes your hair cuticles, which results in less frizz and a shinier hair. Avoid heat tools, like blow dryers, hair straighteners, or curling irons. This can damage your precious hair, so make sure to let your hair dry naturally. And don't sleep with your hair rubbing on your pillowcase. Use a satin scarf, silk cap, or pillowcase to protect your strands. And if you don't have any of these, use a soft cotton t-shirt instead. Place it on your pillow and sleep. Number 4. Hair mask. Now roses, there's something about hair masks that just hits different. A hair mask is just as important as a face mask for glowing skin. And it's so simple to make. You just need 1 egg. Egg is a good source of protein, and your hair needs that protein to grow and shine. Every Saturday, before using your shampoo and conditioner to wash your hair, crack 1 egg open in a glass and whip it well. Then apply it on your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. This is guaranteed to give you silky, longer hair. Warning: roses, please don't use hot water to wash your hair. If not, you will end up with cooked eggs on your hair that won't come out easily. Pro tips. Make sure to rinse out the egg with cold water first before following up with your shampoo and conditioner. Also cover your hair with a shower cap when using your hair mask and only use it once a week. Number 5. Daily habits for longer hair. Now roses, let's keep it real simple here. What you do every single day matters more than the once a week stuff. So, here's your daily hair glow up routine guide to give you that perfect long hair. 1. Drink water, like actually drink your water. Hydrated hair starts from the inside. 2. Cover your hair when you're outside. The sun, wind, and dust can damage it more than you think. So use a cute scarf, hat, or cap to protect your hair. 3. Finger detangle when possible. For curly girlies out there, finger detangling your hair creates less breakage and more curls or waves. 4. Tie your hair loosely. Dear roses, please stop tying your hair tightly. Doing this rips your strands out. Instead, use a soft scrunchie or a loose braid when you sleep. 5. Scalp massage every night for 5 minutes. Use your fingers, flip your head upside down, and massage in circles. This increases blood flow, which equals faster hair growth. 6. Stop stressing about your hair every day. Stop checking each time for growth. This can cause stress and literally block hair growth. So stay patient, stay pretty, and trust the process. And lastly, every morning and night, say this out loud. My hair is growing, my hair is healthy, and my hair is beautiful. This works so well because your mindset is part of the glow up too. And there you have it, roses. Simple and easy tips on how you can grow your hair long, thick, and silky without spending any money. It's all about consistency, care, and your kitchen. Don't forget, your hair is unique, just like you. So treat it with love, patience, daily massages, and some homemade magic. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and drop your hair type in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more glow up tips, and I'll see you in the next one.